Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to show you how to send personalized WhatsApp messages from a CSV or an Excel file. For that, you need to click on this button to send messages from CSV Excel sheet. First up, you need to choose the file from which you want to send messages. You can choose a CSV, XLS, XLX file. Now, two most important fields in the file you must have is the recipient number and the actual message that you want to send. Now you can have a generic message that you want to send to all, or you can create a more personalized one using Excel formulas. Then you need to choose the sheet where data is located. For me, it's in sheet 1. This will show you the number of recipients in your list. Next, you will see a sample data so that you know what file you have selected. In the next field, you need to map the fields correctly. This step is crucial for the plugin to know where to find the phone number and the messages that you want to send. By default, it selects the country code based on your settings. However, there are various customizations available to suit your data. Now I choose the field that contains my phone number, which is phone, and the message is in personalized message. Next up, this is a very important step. To avoid WhatsApp thinking that you are a robot, it is a good idea to set a reasonable time delay between the messages. We recommend 10 to 15 seconds between each message. And now it's time to hit send. The messages will start going out, and you will see in real time how these messages are going. And here you will see the stats of the messages that are sent. You will also see if there are any message that couldn't be sent because of some error. You will see that. And then your campaign is done. So you saw that sending personalized WhatsApp messages from a CSV or an Excel file is a breeze with our Chrome plugin. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give this a try. I will provide the link to download the plugin and more such instructions videos down below in the description box. Thank you.